Here bụ ụzọ esi aga Umuakam. Umuakam otu village nke nọ n'ime Okaiuga Nkwoegwu. So na anyị ka egosi nu Umuakam, obodo Umuakam. Anyị batara n'obodo Umuakam. Otu nwaokoro nọkwa n'obodo a bịa ka kpụrụ anyị ka anyị pụ nna ebera tụkwa ụjọ agịkwa ebe ka aga Chineke ọ hụkwa ihe ke asị na ọwụ ihe ọcha na anyị ga iji nwayọọ gbatuwe ka anyị nweta Jizọs ọzọ na ụlọ gbalọ dịghị Só nós bonito baixo. Obodo Umuakam ka anyị nọ n'ụbọchị nke taa. Dịka m gwara unu nwa okoro kpụrụ anyị bata n'ime bas na ọ bụ ihe ọcha. Ọ gaghị dịcha m na mmalụ ọnụ ịkọwa atacha. Ka m kpọbatakwa ya n'ihi na ọ wonye ebe a. Ni nasha onye njem ka onye isi awọ ihe ama
ahụhụ n'ụzọ mma Okaiuga Nkwoegwu kelenu Umuakam from Umuakam Eziala Umule ebe a kwana n'ugbu ahụ a na-akpọ ya iyi ọcha mgbe ụwa ebe a ka almost Nkwoegwu niile na-echuta mmiri dị ụzọ adịghị otu a otu ịhụ na ọ dị ugbu a otu aka ọ dị betu ọwụ aka nọ na ya arụ ọhụrụ na achọkwara ka o mekwa develop ọdịkwa ọzọkwa so a sịrị ka ọrụwakwa ọrụ ọzọ so that aṅụtụkwana borehole aṅụtụ spring water maka mmiri si n'okwute agbapụta very neat water ọ na-ata ata ụtụtụ ehihie ọkọchị udu mmiri ọ dị on so ọ mara na ndị Okaiuga Nkwoegwu na-agbalị achọrọ ibughachitekwa ihe ndị mebirila emebi bifo ka ọ rụwakwa ọrụ ọzọ onwe ihe ọ na-asọ ọ nọmalụ mmiri kwa ahụ na-esi n'ihe okwute agbapụtara onwe ya isi ebe o si agbapụta dị m ọsọ nri ahịa. If you can go through this my video the day ọrụ a I video it I went ọ dịcha fa the thought to go there no be here.
Today man Unabia. Honestly, I'm happy when you people pass here with camera. I'm mad that today they made today. And the thing is that since you people start this work, there's improvement and there is life in the place. Because every day you make sure that you supervise, you go around to check, especially concerning the health of the community. So I'm very, very happy. I'm Kwani Grace, or you call me Ayadenju from Umuakam. So eba kwani no here. So when I saw you people passing, and this Iyocha is a rock water, it's spring water, and it's very clean. Oh, eba I na bia abamiri. And what to scarcity of water before. But since I made that place abandoned, on a very difficult especially my fuel adeg. On your blaganage na gari everywhere. So it become like an eyesore. Something like that shouldn't have happened. But now that you people have come in, and when that place, clear, I saw children going to the stream, washing their clothes, back to life for this Iyocha. So we are well done. I like what you people do. But one funny thing about this Iyocha now, road has been created of a truth. But I'm learned that Ejileba Mezri urinating place where people defecate and throw refuse bin, which is not proper. I that many shops are serving food. You understand? And it's a drinkable place where people can sit down, take even fresh air. But something like that is not happening like that, because during the breeze time, the vapor or the boom of that urine now wasn't a problem, a disturbing thing to us. So I'm sure couldn't let to that place. And besides, in this Nkwoegwu rolled to the extent it was sitting where ultra modern toilets and bathroom. We have people will be employed. The market people, yes, will be employed. So I was kind of level and be on your toilet, even on your so Oge made that place to develop more. And again, this refuse, Nkwoegwu now have changed. Before, our mothers used to sweep on Nkwoegwu Day, but it's not like that. Again, when they everywhere filled with nylons. It's not supposed to be in that way. So, that area, thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Blessed Simon Likechukwu Okaiuga from Umuakam, Abia State, Omaya. So, Umuakam Nkwoegwu from Abia State. We are here today to greet the today, and everyone that is seeing me today in any area that you are. So, I'm from Umuakam Nkwoegwu, Omaya, Abia State. Especially this our road. I like us to let them walk our route for us and give us electricity. We need electricity special. We need electricity, steady light. That's good to have light.
Road to do election, campaign election. Last campaign election, one politician from our village promised us that once he entered the city that he will walk this road. As you guys can see, this road, it hasn't been touched over how many years now, and in this Okaiuga Nkwoegwu autonomous community, Umuakam is the last village that is having road issues and electric issues. Everything that is happening in this Nkwoegwu, they pass it to Umuakam. Any problem, they say that it's Umuakam youth. But we youth, Umuakam youth, we are trying our best. We are not doing anything in our hands. We are just doing it to support our brothers. We can't see our brothers be fighting or having issues. We'll be there and watching the person. So that's why we are putting hand to fight for our brother. So do you get? And we are trying. We youths are trying, and we are calling for if the Ohunhun will not help us, let the Abia State come for us. Let the Dr. Alesoti. I know he's going for a second term, and he must surely win, because we guys are seeing everything that is happening, that he's doing. We are seeing everything. We are talking and we are gisting. We are having the conversation, and on that election day, we are going to come out and vote for Dr. Alesoti, not for the other people, other candidate that is using our road to do campaign.
Mwa broke over dire. Mwa eba, but mwa for omawa. Mebe through mebe. Yam machi kukweno kwane. Mula ho kwela laka kugede laka to the extent to be say and mwa self latasi concrete. Youth lile jisakon, but always this sponsors the youth was there was the problem. Unu sponsor youth. Sponsor youth la habla no. Mandela baba basketball, o mandu footballer. O mandela kuishi. O mandu electrician. O mande no plumber. Ketiju cha one after each the other. Elauta kale ten on ebelile. Obuge kale man empower hele. Obuge problem that ashoma problem that Okaiuga Nkwoegwu ashoma, which is we haleme. Empower now. Yes now. Empower ta. I'm gonna make Kenya empower and proud. That is it. That is all I want to say.
We are capable to do. We are capable to do it. As long as you are giving us a job. Like, no, we know that it's gonna benefit us and give us the opportunity to be something in future. I'm an electrician. I'm a drawing artist. I draw. But I'm not that kind of perfect because I'm looking for a sponsor, someone that will sponsor me. Which is there is no money. So I'm talking here today for you guys to see me here. My name is Blessed Samuel Okaiuga, Okaiuga from Umuakam, Nkwoegwu, Eziala, Abia State, Umaya. So you guys should look at me today, look me very well, in case anywhere that I can and you see me.
Now tell people now to follow on who today, to support on who today.
I want you guys to follow on who today, in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, anywhere you know, you can join. I want you guys to follow on who today, to see whatever that is happening. And anywhere you guys can serve our support, please, in any way, I want you guys to just help and just support everyone, to just make us proud and to see your children also proud. Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Joshua Okaiuga from Abia State Local Government, Umuakam, Eziala. Ahụhụ egbughị isi, onye nwere ndị bepu ha ala, ma onye jiri hụ ụzọ. Ahụhụ hụrụ ụzọ. Thanks to you people.
Amụwo Nzechi Ikechukwu Chechukwu. Ya kwanụ m onye Umuakam Eziala, Okaiuga Nkwoegwu, nọkwa nlala ọhụhụ. Nnekele ndị ọhụhụ today, Noble Stock Communication. Nnekele unu. Akọrọ unu dị mma. Ana m ahụkwa m branch unu nọla Egwuleleke. Noble Communication, Noble Stock Communication. Ebu nakwa ntawo ama ndị Umuakam Eziala. Here kwa na hall ndị Umuakam Eziala dị ha. Ela ho eba So okay. Obodo anyị wukwa n'obodo dị mma. I want to carry people along. We carry people along. You get? We carry people along. We love communicating with outsiders. You understand? Yes. We even value outsiders more than the indigenous in our community. You understand? It's just for you to maintain yourself, bring down yourself. You understand? You enjoy our community. That's why they say that we are stubborn and we are fighters. But no, if you if you go inside Aba, you see Aba. Once you enter Umuakam, you know that Umuakam is a land of peace and a great nation. Yes, what they are saying about Umuakam is not the negative words they are saying is not true. And what I need to say again, because I know that many people are going to see me on social media and online. This is our road now, Umuakam Eziala community. Mainly at the initial time, this road was one of the roads that they tied in Okaiuga Nkwoegwu. You know, we have age villages in Okaiuga Nkwoegwu, yes. But I would like this communication now to go far, even to the government, for them to see our road. We have 2 double gutters, but each village have one, but Umuakam have 2 double gutters. So I would like to plead on behalf of the community, Umuakam Eziala, let them come and intervene for us. Because even Sir Obi Nagocha promised us, but we have not seen anything yet. But we thank God for many things he has been doing, because we have been hearing what he has been doing. We thank him, yes, we appreciate. But majorly this particular road, that is the only thing we want. Not like we don't even want lights, because we have solar lights everywhere. Yes, all we need is just this road to be tidied up. There's not too much. Okay, this road now, from this road now, this road now is from here now to Umuakam, yes. But this road now should be if you come to Okaiuga, this road should be the first road that should be tied. Because this road now is from here to Across Express. What is it called? Umuakam. Yes, this road leads to Umuakam Street. This is a federal road. Then from here now to Umuakam, Akpaya, Umuakam, going to Oban. So this should be the major road that they should tied. in Okaiuga. But where it's due to, let me say, bad government. Yeah, we thank God for the electricity, sir. We thank God for our governor, Ali Soti, yes. He's doing impossible there because what I watched last online, I saw what he's building, you understand? I saw what he's building. But meanwhile, we are lacking electricity here. Once time CSDP people came, I'm one of the members of the CSDP member where they brought out, yes, say we are going to put a new transformer for us here. Here that we are standing now. Then a new borehole at that side, so yes. So, but we have not seen anything yet. But I know it's just gradually, you understand, yes. But light used to come once upon a time. But they used to have lights constantly. But you see this Umuakam, like it was only yesterday that they brought lights. So today now you're not going to see light throughout today. So government should just intervene for us, please. That's what I'm just telling Noble Communication to just help us make this thing to go viral so that government can see it and know what to do for us, Kwan. Because this place is in the main road. As you can see now, we are not living inside the bush. It's a federal road. They have already came here before, measure. This is not what we will continue seeing now. So people should try and intervene for us. Ale Soti, we are seeing what you are doing. You are trying your possible best. And I promise you, with God's strength, Ale Soti will see video to 2032 self going ahead. We thank you very much, Double Communication. I thank you. Bless you.